Hi, and welcome back. I am Nina Simone, and today I want to talk about something many parents feel but rarely say out loud. If you feel like your entire world has slowly started revolving around one child, I want you to know you are not failing. You are responding to pain. Most parents don't decide to make one child the center of everything. It happens quietly, gradually, out of love and fear. When a child is struggling, your nervous system goes into emergency mode. You start watching your phone, replaying conversations, thinking ahead, trying to prevent the next crisis. And without realizing it, your energy begins to funnel in one direction: your schedule, your emotions, your prayers, your thoughts. They all begin to revolve around one person. This doesn't make you weak, it makes you human. But here's the part that most parents don't notice at first. When one child becomes the center, everything else slowly moves to the edges. God never asked you to carry your child's life on your shoulders. He asked you to love them, to guide them, and to pray for them, not to live in constant emotional emergency. I want to share something personal with you because this isn't just something I teach, it's something I've lived. There was a season when my adult prodigal child needed so much of my emotional energy that I quietly put my own life on hold, including my love life. I remember thinking, how can I invite someone into my life when I'm carrying this much worry? I don't want to project my pain. I didn't want someone else to feel the weight of my parent child struggles. So I told myself it was easier to wait. And what I didn't realize at the time was that I wasn't just protecting others, I was neglecting myself. So many parents do this. They postpone joy, connection, rest, believing they'll return to living once the crisis passes. But here's the truth: when your life is placed on hold indefinitely, your soul pays the price. Ask yourself gently, who or what has been unintentionally neglected in my life? And where have I told myself I'll live later? This isn't about guilt, it's about clarity. So, in the next video, we're going to talk about how to restore balance without abandoning your child, because love does not require self abandonment.